babes, welcome back to the channel. I am Tatiana. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm about to show you a super quick and easy little fun style that I'm going to be doing with Outre's Converti wig. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at _TatiTV, and I hope you enjoy. So this time I'm going to be using the Sunday Romance Curl by Outre's Converti cap. I actually really like these wigs. They're pretty convenient and they're really versatile with styling. Inside of the wig you have your comb for the front, your sides, and your back comb. It makes for a really easy install, and then you also have your drawstring in the back to make sure that the wig is secured. Just as the combs are in the wig, that's how I'm going to actually go ahead and install this wig. I'm starting with the front comb first, and then I'm going to go ahead and place my side combs, bring it to the back, and then I'm going to use my drawstring to secure it in place. So instead of one bun, I decided that I was going to do two space buns. I'm just going to be simply put my hair into two ponytails. I'm going to be cleaning it up and slicking it with my Edge Effect level 5, as well as my Edge Effect in the color of the black. I just like to mix those two together just to make sure that it looks nice and full. And I'm just going to be combing it through with my rat tail comb. For my buns, I'm going to scoop up some of the hair from my wig and connect it to my real ponytail. I also like to make sure that I don't feel any tracks or anything because you don't want that to show. I also am going to comb it through just to make sure that it is nice and slick. To avoid my real hair from sticking out and to blend with the wig, I'm going to cover up my ponytail as much as I can with the hair from the wig. I'm going to twirl, and then I'm just going to wrap it around until I can't anymore and secure it with one large rubber band. my space buns aren't like sticking up weird, I'm gonna actually pin them down with a straight pin on each side. I'm just using one pin, but it helps to secure it in place and also lay just a little bit flatter. And then if I need to or if I want to, I can tease it out a little bit more to make it bigger. And here is the finishing look. We have an instant half up, half down with 2 space buns, no glue, no braiding, super quick and cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at _TatiTV. All the information on this hair is in the description below, and I will see you in my next video.